Hey everyone! In this week's craft video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute double Valentine necklace. We're going to be using some specific materials which I'll list in the description box as usual, and I'll add links to where you can find them. First, you'll need a rounded and heart-shaped metal tag in 2 different colors. You'll also need metal stamps. I'm using the letters I and U and a heart and infinity symbol. You'll need electric tape, a metal stamping block, and a metal stamping hammer. You'll also need a black permanent marker with a fine tip, a treated polishing cloth, 2 jewelry pliers of your choice, a jump ring, and a necklace. Let me first show you the basic technique of metal stamping. Tape your tag to the center of your metal stamping block and make sure the electric tape is also positioned at the top or bottom line of where you want to stamp. Turn your stamp until it faces the right way, position it on the tag, line it up against the electric tape, and slide your thumb and index finger down. Hold the stamp firmly and hit the top once or twice with your hammer. A few things that can go wrong. If you hit your stamp too hard, it will go too deep and your tag will bend. If you don't hit hard enough, it's too shallow. If you slightly move, you get a double imprint. And then of course, there's the correct lining up of the letters and symbols. You may want to practice a few times as it's harder than it looks. Now back to our necklace. Tape your tag onto your stamping block and position it so that it becomes the edge of where you want to stamp. Position your letter I carefully, hold it steady, and hit the top with your hammer once or twice. Next, do the same thing for the heart symbol. And for the letter U. Remove the tape and put your tag aside. Grab your heart tag and repeat the stamping steps to stamp the infinity symbol onto the heart. The metal stamps really come to life when you add some color, so carefully go into the ridges of the stamps with your permanent marker. Then immediately buff your tags with both the gray and the white parts of your polishing cloth to remove the excess marker and fingerprints and to make your tags shiny. I'm so sorry about this part being blurry. It was focused until my hands got into frame. Get your tags, the jump ring, the jewelry pliers, and your necklace, and let's assemble this. Place the heart in front of the circle and align the holes. Open your jump ring, stick it through the holes, and place it around the necklace. Close the jump ring and your necklace is ready. I made this necklace double so that the I love you is not immediately visible for everyone to see, but the wearer knows it's there. The heart with the infinity symbol strengthens the message below, and it's cute on its own as well. I really hope you enjoyed this Valentine's tutorial. If you did, please click the like button and also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.